got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's something, it's something.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me / tutorial kinda on this pink glittery cut crease. And I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting with my eyebrows and I'm using this Morphe eyebrow pencil in the shade Mocha. Okay, so I don't know if you could tell, but this Morphe pencil was so hard to use. It was like texturally so hard. It was turning my face red just from using it. So I had to do my eyebrows off camera because this just wasn't working for me. Okay, I did my eyebrows off camera because that Morphe pencil wasn't doing it for me. I think I want to do a cut crease. As a base on my lids, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape shade Tan Deep Honey.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me? You got a girl. Feeling is reckless. I'm going this selfish. I'm going on that big. Getting on in the falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging on too bad, wanna be your last. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care long as you here, but that's dirty. You better than pop them rolls. You be what I want. My man is your man. Earth is her man too. My man is your man. Earth is her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm in the weekend.
So I am going to set this with a translucent powder. And the powder I'm using is my Dermablend. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to take this orange.
My man is your man, earth is her man too. My man is your man, earth is her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Do like 9 to 5, I'm in the weekend. Make her lose his mind.
Okay, from about here on out, the video is pretty much going to be a voiceover. So I'm taking the shade Passion from my Limecrime Venus palette, and I'm putting that in my outer corner, but also up into my crease where that orange is so that I can blend those two shades together. And right here, I'm taking that first brush that I used for that orange shade, and I'm using it to blend out Passion. And you can see I'm holding it angled down so that I don't go up too far, so that the color isn't all the way up to my eyebrow. That's how you hold your brush, so that you make sure that your shadow doesn't blend up too far. Now I'm taking Botticelli from that same Limecrime Venus XL palette and putting that in my outer V as well as my crease. originally I was cutting my crease with this cream concealer, but as I was doing it, I saw that it was mixing in with all of the eyeshadow that I had put on my lid so far. So what I did was I created my shape with this concealer, and once I got the perfect shape, I took a Q-tip and some makeup remover and wiped it off so that I had a clean lid, so that when I put the eyeshadow on top, it wasn't muddy. And the liquid eyeshadow I'm using is this Eye Glisten by MakeupRevolution. It's the shade Yours Truly. So I'm just taking the wand that it comes with, and I'm using that to go on top of where all of that concealer was. And once I do that, I'm going to set it with this rose gold eyeshadow that is in the Juvia's Place palette.
It's like cranes in the sky. Sometimes I don't want to feel those yeah, it's like cranes in the sky. Sometimes I don't want to feel those
So here's where I decided that I wanted some glitter in that lid instead of just that shimmery shadow. So I took the glitter side of that liquid eyeshadow and I put that on my lid as a base for the loose glitter that I was going to be using. Had I known from the beginning that I wanted glitter on my lid instead of just this shimmer, I wouldn't have set it with that eyeshadow, because this did break the eyeshadow up, but it really doesn't matter because we were putting glitter on top of it anyway.
But it's like cranes in the sky. Sometimes I don't want to feel those.
So I'm adding that dark shade to the outer corner again, just to intensify it.
Yeah, it's like cranes in the sky. Sometimes I don't want to feel those.
So now I'm lining my lash line with this liquid liner from Morphe, and I'm also going to add some mascara and some false lashes. For primer, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. To color correct my face, I'm using my LA Girl color corrector in the shades Orange and Peach.
So many things I'm going through, so much that I wanna do. It's hard to become so clear to me. Tomorrow ain't really guaranteed. So many days I've been one of you.
Before going in with my foundation, I'm using my NARS Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm just putting that on top of that color corrector just to help even out my skin tone further. I'm using my Fenty Beauty in the shade 410. To highlight, I'm taking this MakeupRevolution Conceal&Fix Ultimate Coverage Concealer in the shade Light Honey. I'm putting that under my eyes and on my chin. Concealer from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Mocha as a liquid bronzer, so I'm just putting that everywhere that I would usually bronze my skin. Setting my under eye with this loose powder from Dermablend, and I'm pressing that powder into my skin instead of baking. I'm not going to leave any excess. I'm just pressing it fully into my under eye. To set the rest of my face, I'm using this Urban Decay All Nighter powder, and I'm just pressing that into my skin and also using it to wipe off any excess that might be sitting on my face. To bronze my skin, I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. And to highlight, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Queen Drip. For my lips, I'm using this brown lip liner, but in the middle of lining my lips, I realized I didn't set my face. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Fine Mist Setting Spray and just using that to set my face. lipstick, I'm using Honeylove by MAC, and the gloss I'm using is by Ulta. It's from their lip glossary. And that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. And until next time, I will see you later. Like, if we all on a trip together, what's this supposed to be? Or majority of us want to go do this one thing. Don't be talking about you don't want to do that. You coming, but what? Yeah. I hate when people say stupid stuff to me, girl. What are you talking about? All right, let me attempt to take a picture.